Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year to you all. So I feel like we should talk about business. Yeah, we should talk about business. We should talk about how to make money. This is 2026, of course. If we were actually trying, like if we were making money in 2025, then 2026 we should do better. Now, a lot of persons have struggles. A lot of persons do not okay, they want to do something, but they don't know what to do. Or some of them actually, like I'm saying this from the messages I get, like some of the conversations I have with people, right? That is what actually led to this. Some persons want to do something, but they don't know if the money they have can afford or can take care of what they want to do, right? So if you had all of these confusions in 2025, this is 2026. I think we should work on things together. I think 2026, we should do better. So this video here is actually here to help you solve that confusion and I think give you a headway on what you should do. So this video here, I want to tell you guys some businesses that you can actually start with 30,000 naira and below. So if you have up to 30,000 naira and you're looking for what to do, then this video here is for you. Sit tight, get a glass of juice. If you don't have juice, get a glass of water, sit down, position your phone before you. Let us talk business. This is 2026. You don't need to rely on anybody. You need to do something on your own. Now, the last point I'm going to give is something that a lot of persons are actually lacking. That's the last point that I'm going to give in this video. You want to watch just step by step. Do not even try to skip or fast forward. Every bit of this is important. Now, let's get to it. First business, I'm going to mention like 5 businesses, and then the last one is a pro tip. The last one is a bonus for you. Now, the first business that you can actually start with, remember I said 30,000 and below. So if you have 20,000, you can start. If you have 10,000, yes, I said 10. If you have 10,000, you can start. So let's say the minimum you can start with is 10,000. That's the minimum you can start with 10,000. Okay, so 30,000, 20,000, 25,000, 10,000, 15,000. That's what you should start any of these businesses I'm going to list out with you. First business on my list is popcorn business. Starting a popcorn business. You guys, do you know that both kids and adults love to eat popcorn? Even myself, like at my age and stage, I actually buy popcorn whenever I see it. It's not like I can't make popcorn in the house. I can do it, but I just feel like, why should I even go through the stress when I can use 1,000 naira to buy popcorn and eat? They even sell popcorn as low as 500 naira. Some places even sell popcorn for 300 naira. Do you know that, for instance, now they want the package for 300 naira? They want the package for 300 naira. If you want to, like when the corn, when it's still a corn and it hasn't popped, that should not be more than 30 pieces of corn if it's up to. So popcorn business is one business that you people make it, and it's very, very simple to make. Oh, very simple. If you're watching this video right now and maybe you don't know how to make popcorn but you would like to venture into that kind of business, let me know. I'm going to bring up a video on how to make popcorn is very easy to make. It's very simple, very, very simple to make. Now, popcorn, all you need to start this business is you buy your corn. You know, there is a particular corn, not the kind of corn they used to make pap. There's a particular corn for popcorn. So it's not all corn that can pop. So you get your corn, you get your butter. If you're just starting, you can leave the butter aside, get oil. Okay, get your corn, get oil, get sugar, and then you can get color if you want to give them different colors of popcorn. If you want to learn it, let me know. I'm going to bring up a video on how to do it. Get your nylons for packaging, or you can get the other one. You know those beautiful popcorn. If I get any of them, I'm going to put them on the screen so you see it. So you get all of these things, and then You can use a normal pot if you have not constructed that other kind of pot and it's like this. Back then in school at Enugu, like we have a lot of people selling popcorn. So you see them always turning like this. They constructed their pots. So they're always turning lots of people selling popcorn. But if you don't have that, you can use your normal pots to start and then later on you can construct a pot. So all you need is just get these things and then you start selling. Popcorn business, you don't need much to start. You do not need much to start. So that's the first one on my list. Now, the second business that I have on my list that you can actually start between 10, 15, 20, 25, 30,000 naira is Zobo drink. Zobo business. Guys, do you know you can start Zobo business with 5,000? You can start Zobo business with 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, depending on how big or small you want to start. But you can actually start Zobo business with as little as 5,000 naira. You have 5,000 naira or you have 10,000 naira and you still say you don't have something doing. But you're living where there are other people. Then what are you doing? Do Zobo and sell. People will buy. It's just that if you're starting it with 5,000 naira, you may not be able to buy brand new packaging containers. So you may just want to use bottled water and then you say your Zobo a little bit cheap, people will buy. And Zobo is something that you keep adding water, the color is there. You keep adding water, the color is there. So what's stopping you? Now, Zobo business is something you can actually start small like that. What do you need? You don't even need too much. On my channel here, I have videos on how to make Zobo. You don't even need to go and pay and learn. You can only pay to learn how to preserve Zobo. You don't need too much. Go through my channel, you'll get videos on how to make Zobo. Learn it, and then you will start your Zobo business if you want to start. Now, another thing you can pair with Zobo is tamarind business, like tamarind drink. How to make tamarind drink? Tamarind drink is a very nice, tasty drink. I made it, I've only made it once and I posted it on my channel, right? It's very easy to make. All you need to do is buy tamarind. You know tamarind now. Go and watch, go and watch that video on how to make tamarind drink. I'll try while doing my writing my description. I'm going to try to put that video in the description box so you can just open the description and check. Tamarind is one very nice and tasty drink, like very nice, and it is nutritious, very healthy, very nice. When I mean very nice, it tastes nice. It tastes different from the regular drinks, regular juices. Like it's the kind of drink that if you sell out to somebody, the person must ask you, what did you like? What's this drink? And and it's not common, it's not that popular. So I think it's popular in Ghana. I think so. It's popular in Ghana, but not in Nigeria. So tamarind drink is one other drink that you can actually make and sell. And yeah, it's good. It's not expensive. The only thing you need to do is buy tamarind. Buy tamarind, buy your pineapple peel. You can add the normal pineapple as well. And then what again? Ginger, clove. Yeah, it's not expensive, but trust me, you can start within this range, like this money that I've talked about. So that's that. I've mentioned about three businesses right now, right? Food businesses. Now, another one you can actually do with that amount of money is soya milk business. Soya milk business, right, is one very, 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 very lucrative business that people do not even know. People do not even know how lucrative this business is. Soya milk is very, very lucrative. Do you know when I say lucrative, like what I mean is it's something that is very thick. You cook it, you blend it thickens. There's a way you can blend it and you will not even have to wash off any shelf. Now, when you add water to it, it's still thick. You add more water, it thickens. You add water, just like that. Like and this is also one business that was very, very popular in my school back then at Enugu. Then a lot of women are selling soya milk. Soya milk is a very lucrative business. If you have the strength, if you can do it, do it. If you can do it, do it. Okay, it's very good. and it's something you can start small. How much is soya milk? Soya beans. Soya beans is not expensive. Oh. It's very, 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 very affordable. I think they're selling pack up for 350 or 300 naira for pack up. It's not expensive at all. So why haven't you started that and that one? So I mentioned four businesses for you, right? Now, Kunu business and that one that you can actually start. But one thing with Kunu is, I don't know. I don't think a lot of persons like to drink Kunu. How is it in your area? Do you think people do people like taking Kunu like that? I don't think so because here I don't think Kunu is something people really enjoy drinking like that. Like people really enjoy drinking. But it's actually a business that is very cheap to make. Very, very cheap to make. And it's also lucrative. It's something you can start with that amount that I talked about and you get something. So Kunu business is one of it. Very, very nice to start. Now, I talked about 30,000 naira, right? Now, let me tell you guys about the king of all the businesses, or which I must talk about yogurt business. Yogurt business, you can start with 30,000 naira, even 20,000 naira. You can start. Even 10,000, 15,000 naira, you can start it. It all depends on how big you want to start. You can buy small amount of milk and start. 30,000 naira can actually buy you one modu, or what they call it, one pinter of milk, and then every other thing that you need to start. And then you start. It's a very lucrative business. Yogurt is a lucrative business, especially if you live in an area where people buy things and where people know the worth of what they are buying. Nobody will price you. They're going to buy you, get your money back. But if you're doing it big, right? You can also learn how to preserve the yogurt and then you make your yogurt and supply it with peace of mind that this yogurt you supply can actually last for 2 months without you wasting anything, wasting resources or experiencing any loss. So this is actually a good business that you can do as well. Now, do you know you can combine two, three, or four of these businesses that I've mentioned? You don't need to stick to only one. If you're making Zobo, add soya milk to it, add tamarind drink to it, add yogurt to it. Like you can make four of these things. You can make three if you have the time, if you have the strength, do it. You can make three drinks, four drinks, two drinks, and sell. Don't just focus on only one, right? You can focus on one if you want. Second, the thing is a bit expensive, but it's still something you can do with small amount of money though. Yes. It's something you can do and it will work for you. It's something that's expensive so people will buy. Now, the last tip, I think I've ended up mentioning more than five businesses like I talked about. The last tip that I will tell you, which I said is going to be an extra, like a bonus tip, is you guys, do you know that you can monetize your talent? That thing you are doing, you can, that's what you're doing, that people come to meet you and then you just tell them for free, you can monetize it. That's another thing that you can monetize and make money. Like this particular thing, you're good in doing this thing. Instead of teaching people that thing always for free, you can now attach like 5,000 naira to it, 1,000 naira to it. Like, I will do this thing for you, give me so amount of money, and then before you know it, like for instance, now let me give you an instance. For instance, now you can edit video, and you usually teach people how to edit video for free. This is 2026. Monetize your talent. In 2026, you should not teach people how to edit video for free anymore. What you should now do is, if you were giving out this thing for free, tell them to pay 1,000 naira for it. So by the time two persons, three persons pay 1,000 naira to learn how to edit video, then you're going to make 5,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, just like that. You're teaching this thing for free. You're doing this for monetize it. Let people now pay for your services. You can advise people. When people in relationship have difficulties, they have issues with their relationship or marriages, you give advices and then people have always told you that I applied what you said and it worked for me. I did this and it worked for me. At this point in time, please call yourself a counselor. Attach a fee to it. Let them now pay for your service. Don't charge too much. If people are charging 100,000 naira, you can charge as low as 20,000, 10,000. At least something is coming in. So the last point, the last tip that I have for you. Okay, something else. I don't know if I should talk about it now or in my next video. Creating social media contents. You can do this thing. You have been doing this and people have been complimenting you, but nobody outside your vicinity knows about you. Start creating content. Do you know when you start creating with time, you will get paid. With time, this thing will start generating revenue for you. With time, people will start to know you. So start creating your content. That's business. People will create content and don't do it for fun. Like personally, when I create content, I don't do it for fun. I do it because it is business for me. So you too can do that. This is 2026. So we are looking for more ways to earn. So I thought of bringing this your way. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. I hope at this point you've liked this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Like this video for me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification. I will see you in my next video.